Hey y'all, happy 2019. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. I'm so happy that you decided to like, subscribe, and share, and that you also follow me on Instagram at __ that girl with the hair. I am Victoria, that girl with the YouTube, and today I'm going to be sharing a video with y'all of me walking my big sister through dinner the other night. We wanted to bring in the new year by continuing our healthy streak, and the Anderson ladies like to eat, baby. So we're not going to cut away what we can eat. We're just swapping out with healthier we had some recipes. Blackened lemon pepper salmon, sauteed asparagus, balsamic Brussels sprouts, and just a store-bought Asian chopped salad. So what sauce I use, follow me on Instagram at __ that girl with the hair. On my highlights, there's gonna be a food highlight. And if you click there, then it'll be in the. So with the Brussels sprouts, you just take. You know what? Let me stop lying. I ain't cooking Brussels sprouts. I don't know how to make them. Okay, I'll have to find out and tell y'all. So that's why you should follow me on Instagram, so I can ask the person who made the Brussels sprouts how they made the Brussels sprouts, and then I'll upload it onto Instagram. And hit record.
It's recording already.
Because I was gonna talk you through it, so you get the oil like hot. When it's hot in the oil, you put the skin in, and then like that's what's gonna give you.
The skin down. Ooh.
Yeah, that's the water that I put in there.
Oh, I know.
Oh, sorry. I have experience.
The skin down. That's the scale skin or the.
Yeah, I scaled it last night, but what you gonna do? You just take a piece. Lay it on. Put it on for 2 so you can go. I'm not gonna put as much, but I did put a little soy sauce on it last night just to give it a little variation and a little flavor. Just let it sit.
How long?
Like a minute or two. More so closer to a minute, so a minute and a half. You can kind of glance at it. But you kind of listen to it and how it'll start slowing down with the sizzling a little bit. You smell and make sure like you don't smell anything burning.
Okay. And then
you can also see you see like how this one got the little line coming up. It's getting whiter as it cooks. But we don't want to cook it all the way through. And if you flip it and it's not brown enough, you can just flip it back over.
Okay.
Just a couple of Vic tips when you initially put anything in the pan. Please pay close attention because you don't know how hot your pan is and you don't want to burn your food or overcook your food because it's wasting coin, and we do not do that in 2019. And also when you're browning anything, whether chicken or fish, put it in the pan, let it be so that skin can get a chance to crisp up and that extra flavor will develop, and that's where it all comes together, and it's real good and yay. Okay, so here I'm just adding a little bit of oil, and I was using avocado oil here to the pan because I took too much out of the pan earlier. No biggie, you don't want too much because you don't want greasy fish, but you don't want too little so that your fish sticks to the pan. Can we talk, Victoria? Okay. So that's really all it is, just kind of brown it and put it on the pan. It's not hard at all.
Do you cover the pan when you put it in the oven?
This time I will if they're all about that brown, but you don't have to. If I had a sauce on there like the other one, the blueberry one, I should have put it on a pan like this, and then I would have left it out so the sauce will kind of got thickened a little bit, like the sauce would have cooked into it a little more. But I was still experimenting with it. So you don't have to as long as you watch it.
Okay.
Closing it up and steam it will be more like steaming it, so it might be a little more moist. But I like mine to have like the crispiness.
I don't know that I'm gonna be able to throw the water.
Oh, you don't have to. This is not safe, probably.
I know probably.
But that's how you do it. Because you can hear it popping. If it don't pop, it's not hot. You ain't hot if you ain't popping. Well, at the temperature I like. You put it out. There. Okay, so boom, just continue to crisp up your skin on the salmon and give it that little browning to get the flavor, and then we're gonna put it on the pan. Put it in the pan. You'll see that later, and put it in the oven to finish cooking it. And I'm just adding a little bit of soy sauce just to give it an extra pizzazz. You want layers of flavor, not just flat flavored food. You so hungry. You got some milk? Look at that little booty. It don't work like that. Play around this time is when I would start doing the asparagus and the other stuff, so it all finishes in time because that is gonna take probably like 15 or whatever to cook.
How long would this be?
Just like 10, 12 minutes if that.
Hey, could you drop a slice of lemon on my piece?
We can do it with some more.
Mommy said don't change.
No, I said mine.
You want to put a little lime on your lemon pepper?
What you think is
Let put it on after when you're ready to serve, so it's not that different. Everybody may not like it.
Mommy.
Nah, she said it quick too. She was like,
What we had yesterday, and then we can add.
It ain't broke, don't fix it.
That's right.
It ain't broke, don't fix it.
I'm talking about Vicky. Talking about we could do them on all of them. Mommy said.
I make fish with lemon slices all the time.
Yeah.
She said the soy sauce was a little different type of Asian zing. I wasn't looking for, baby.
I need you gonna put that on mine. I need you to soak it first. Maybe I won't have lemon on mine. It's cool.
T said, called you Vicky. He's called you Vicky. That's not your name.
You name. That might be name.
You name Victoria. What's he Vic?
Your name Victoria.
Did y'all like watching infomercials when you was little? Or was that just me?
I thought they were pretty interesting.
I like the ones where they cooked on them, or the ones where like they would test out knives. Sometimes I watch the Swiffer one if I couldn't find a remote and I didn't feel like getting up. Look at you, whipping and mixing it. Wait, prepped your asparagus.
Yeah, you cut it. What are you doing?
Oh, that's a little tricky trick actually. To see, like sometimes to make sure, they'll have the tough end. If you bend it, it snaps normally at a decent place to take all the woodiness off.
How do you preserve other ones? Because we actually bought two of them, two bundles.
They're not gonna stay for long, but just keep them grouped together and put them in a container with a little, just about that much water, and it'll keep them fresh.
We also need to know how to make the asparagus while you still chopping off pieces.
I'm just holding it at the base and bending it, and it just snaps. Like, what you do that with? Green beans? Snapping peas or something?
What?
I remember Miss Alma used to do it.
Do what?
When you just bend like the vegetable and let it tell you where it's ripe or not.
Snap peas.
Usually the last piece is the shortest piece because the pan is the hottest. Voila!
So now we're gonna
So
put
now?
this in the oven, uncovered.
We can cover since we still have to cook asparagus. What's that bag? Send it there, baby.
Baby, I don't know. Where's
Oh, you're gonna love me.
Excuse me.
This is a real deal, regular channel.
I'm talking about, you said
Oh,
silver side or whatever.
put that shot down. Okay, so the asparagus is extremely simple to cook. The even easier way would be just how he's doing those Brussels sprouts. Throw them on a pan with some oil, a little salt and pepper, rub it, put it in the oven for about.
Brussels sprout chips. I love them.
Mom, I'm eating a Brussels sprout.
Oh, wonderful. And very nutritious.
I need a little bit some more salt and pepper, but it's alright.
It's okay. Look at me. I'm Sandra D. Oh, those are actually good. It's real. It's like toasting. Toasted cabbage. Who would have thought? That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Pan. Warm it up. Rub it with some oil, salt, and pepper. Throw it in the oven for about 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes.
Let me get
Salt and pepper, a little butter. Or if you want to change it, whatever variation of seasoning you want to do, it works well with any flavor.
Okay. So put it on here or put it in there?
I do it usually when it's in the pan, and I'm only doing it here just because we don't have the bigger pan, but it's just easier in a little saucer pan. But you just gonna put it in here with salt and pepper, a little butter. If you want a little lemon, is really good on it. Sometimes if you want a little garlic, balsamic is really good with it. Literally anything, kind of like how the Brussels sprout is plain, nice easy green flavor you can play with. Same deal. Put in the pan, roll it around. I don't like mine to be soft, but you'll see they kind of wilt down some and get a little loosey. I don't like them like that. I still like mine to have a little bite. But you cook it to your preference. I ended up going ahead and cooking the asparagus myself. Like I said before, it's extremely simple. You just want to get a little bit of oil to medium-high, medium heat. Throw your asparagus in, a little salt, a little pepper, and you cook them down till they're tender but not soft. You still want your asparagus to have a little bite to them, but it's like extremely, extremely simple. You cannot mess up asparagus, and you can add almost any flavor to them, and they work well with it. So they're really easy, really quick vegetable to throw in. So longer videos, I want to do like the recipes and the cooking and stuff. Just because I try to eat healthier now. So to let people see that, because if I can do it, I feel like anybody can do it. Y'all know I like to eat bad.
We all do.
Don't make too much, baby. What was I about to say? Since we've been eating half the Brussels sprouts, it probably won't be too many to eat, but I was gonna make that Asian salad too, so you can try that.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. And you can never have enough vegetables. I mean, this size.
Man. I was watching this, of course, crime show, and they were talking about the lady and how she had a secret life. It's like when AOL first came out. She was in chat rooms meeting people. I was like, I used to be in chat rooms. Yeah.
Oh, what?
Chatting with people, what you mean? AOL chat room.
I'm rolling around, kind of looking at it for the color, to make sure to see if it's getting too dark on any side, because it'll brown a little bit too, if you want it to. But just kind of seeing, these are thick, so they're gonna take longer. But it's gonna wilt down a little bit and be more flexible. So like how these still more stiff, it would be more flexible. Flexible. They don't know what I need to do. Richie, what are you saying? They don't know what I have. They already know what I tell them. They don't know what
I feel like you're making that up.
Hey, hey, hey.
Are you checking it?
I know. You just. I'm gonna pull it out. It should be done, but I'm gonna check it. Or take the foil off and leave it in there a couple seconds. So please. See how like they go?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's just I'm leaving it there for maybe 2 or 3 more minutes just for these bigger pieces, but these smaller pieces could be considered done. Easy peasy. Everything I cook, delicious but simple. It's just about taking your time and enjoying it. Should I be professional and plate it and film it on a real plate, or just these paper plates that we finna eat off of?
Boy, I'm angry, boy. He called the meat in the chain, boy.
I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you.
I ain't mad at you.
reduction, blackberry lime reduction, to be paired with any of our selections for the night. Show y'all what we got. You got your lemon pepper chicken. Ooh, this is not chicken.
Nope.
Salmon. Asparagus. This is the sauce I've been working on. It's a blackberry and lime sauce. We have the balsamic Brussels sprouts. And an Asian. What's the Asian? Chopped salad?
Mm-hmm.
Asian chopped salad. And we're regular people, so we ease on.
Not even paper plate.
Baby, use paper, baby.
Wait a minute.
Some folks that adds more flavor to leave the skin.
What? Oh, does it?
Because you have that fat, that layer of fat in between the skin and
All right, y'all. Doing a little something. Healthy eating. That's still flavorful.
It really is very good.
I know. I don't eat asparagus. Good.
and it's easy, huh?
All right, baby shark. Grandma.
This dinner is paired with a nice something wine.
Which is?
Ask my mama. Hey, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, I really appreciate you. So I wanted to throw in a little lanyard for you and share a poem that I feel is very short, but it accurately describes my relationship with poetry. You know that feeling you get when you're listening to Lauryn Hill slightly past midnight? You just want to close your eyes, but your thoughts ignite. Light curls into cursive fighting sleep because your brain just wants to write poetry.